Hi, good evening. Welcome to Easy Money. I am CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer. What a whopping move today in market. Nifty, in fact, closed 14,923, which was up 250 points. Single day up move of 250 points, and Bank Nifty, if you see, that even closed way above, and it was up 1300 points at 33,460. In fact, Bank Nifty at one point of time was up close to 4% at index level. And if you see stock specific, Indus India Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank of India, they were all up over 5% just for the day. Yes, today in your Easy Money pre-market report, I clearly told today we have the second wave of corona peaking out. It might take 1.5 months time for complete second wave to subside or come down. But you have to buy markets today and not after 1.5 months once you get clarity. I even told a golden learning today morning in pre-market report that stock market is always a future looking animal. It is not based on today's economic data. Today's market will reflect. Today's market is the reflection of the future expectation. And I clearly told it is now the time to buy and not post 1.5 months when we might see some recovery. In fact, if you see COVID cases, it is way below 3 lakh. The exact number was somewhere just close to 2 lakh 81,000 plus cases which got added in last 24 hours. And Maharashtra is now seeing consecutively for many days number of active cases per day coming below 40,000, which is a very positive news. Now, not only the active cases are getting reduced, we are also able to see the flow of vaccination going to the necessary people there, and the entire COVID 2 wave is definitely showing clear signs of coming down. If you see, many European countries and even the giant America is saying if you are already vaccinated, no need to wear mask in outside places. And slowly you can see cinema theaters, public places getting opened. These are all clear signs of world economy is also recovering from the second wave of corona, and we too should recover in coming few weeks or close to month. And this is what I told today morning, and later on you seeing 250 points Nifty up move and Bank Nifty with a whopping 1300 points up move just remains a history. And even live call during market hours on Friday itself, I told sell put options of Bank Nifty, and in futures 32,000 was a crucial stop loss with which I told people to be bullish. And from there we have seen Bank Nifty going up 1300 points. Yes, I repeat, 1300 points move once the live call was given in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy. For all of you who are here watching the pre-market and post-market report, and also lot of value added programs like profitable options which I'm coming out with, I want each one of you to also benefit from the live market views which I'm giving it in my Twitter handle, also given in the description in the YouTube picture below. So I want each one of you here to understand clearly that today's market is always a reflection of future and not just what is happening today. And very important, even the result announcement which has come recently has been very positive. It has been way beyond expectation. So all these points make this rally a very positive rally, and still a long way to go. Now we will go and test the all-time highs which is there closely to about around 3% on Nifty, and FIIs even in today's market were sellers. They have sold 2,256 crore, whereas DIIs were on the other side buying this market, and they have bought today worth 1,948 crore. And a very important point, not just banking which led the entire rally today, we could even see metal stocks which were showing some signs of profit booking, making a formation of a bottom and giving great opportunity for people who had missed the previous metal rally. Stocks like Tata Steel, Steel Authority of India, and chart check on all these stocks even for long term investors and short term traders with clear cut levels. I've already done in my easy money special chart check programs, and I'm sure you are watching those video series also, where we have discussed on metals, especially stocks like Steel Authority of India as well as Tata Steel. Let me now today give you a chart check of a PSU bank, and this bank has been one of the favorites, and even for me this is the number one PSU bank which I feel can offer great returns for both long term investors and short term traders. So let us look at now the chart check on State Bank of India. So here comes SBI on your screen. This stock had on a weekly chart, whatever I'm showing you right now, resistance which was there at levels of around 375, and this level of 375, after a small profit booking which we saw in this weak candle which got this small profit booking, is now showing clear signs of breakout. And if you see, now we can clearly see on the chart that today we see a breakout above levels of 375, and now SBI results expected in just next few days during the week. This stock can now go and test back the highs of this big candle, which is somewhere at around 400 to 405. So for short term, yes, the stock is headed towards this zones of 400 to 405 on SBI. But let me give you a very important caution or a warning. Even though results might come very positive this time in SBI, how the market is getting positioned for short term is very important. If you ask me, everyone now wants to go long on SBI for short term, expecting a positive result. But do understand, even if results comes very good, I won't rule out a profit booking which can come post even that positive result. So for short term, I may not look at a great risk reward trade to go long as a short term trader in SBI. And even if I want to buy, I'll be exiting much before the result announcement comes, because post result announcement we might see some amount of profit booking because everyone here are long. Now if you ask me for long term investing, where we can enter SBI, the great level to enter SBI will be somewhere at around 325, and this will offer a fantastic buying opportunity. However, long term support for this stock again further down, if I see, comes somewhere closer to 270 275 zones. So a good entry level for long term investors in SBI will be in the range of 275 to 325. However, post results, if you see any profit booking, and if that profit booking comes closer to levels of 325 to 330, the first levels of entry can be made. Or if someone is already long for a very short term trade, try exiting this stock much before the result get announced, because post the result announcement some amount of profit booking cannot be ruled out, because that is how the stock is getting positioned before the result. So one has to understand how the stock is getting positioned before the result, and that plays a very crucial role for short term trading. All this great learning is coming to you because of your commitment, and it is in your program Easy Money, coming in your channel Rudralogy. Friends, if you want to appreciate this hard work and commitment, the true research what I am providing to you both in pre and post market, and also at least one program I am giving to people in Kannada so that it will even help people who are from Karnataka and who can only understand Kannada. Also, for each one of you, I am giving profitable option series where everything about option market, both option buying and option selling with crystal clear clarity, and making option trading profitable and practical with easy examples and making it a child's play is what my effort is all about, and it is to see you people profitable. Do share this video everywhere, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever you just have these type of beautiful programs for you to become profitable. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow with more updates. Take care. Bye bye.